Hello team. Today I will be showing you how to fix Windows 11 lag and stutter. Press Windows button and open Settings. Here head to Privacy and Security. From here you can disable everything you don't use such as location, speech, notifications, and many others. Just disable everything you don't use. By the way, if the first step is already helping your Windows run smoother, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my other quick PC fixes. For the next fix, press Windows button and type Advanced System Settings. In the Performance tab, press Settings, and here check Adjust for Best Performance box. Then click these two boxes. Hit Apply, then OK and exit. Now press Windows button and type Startup Apps. Disable every app that you don't want to turn on when you start your PC. If your PC is still lagging, you should check for some problems in CPU and memory usage. To do that, right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Here, see if any app is using too much of your CPU, GPU, or memory. If some app like File Explorer is using too much CPU, like 33%, your PC lags because of that app. If this is your problem, comment your app and I will help you. If this still didn't fix your problem, did you check if your PC meet the minimum requirements for Windows 11? If your PC doesn't meet minimum requirements, it will cause your PC to lag and you will need to downgrade. I hope that this video helped you. Comment if you need help on other problems. Bye.